Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video we are going to see how to fix Bambu Lab A1 Mini Extruder Clog, not extruding filament solutions and tips. Fix 1. Remove the clogged filament. Turn on the printer and go to Control, then go to Filament, then go to Unload. And allow the nozzle to heat up, then let the printer retract the filament. If the filament will not unload, use the built-in filament cutter on the print head to cut it. Disconnect the PTFE board and tube and manually pull the remaining filament out. Now allow the hot end to cool slightly, then remove the front cover and silicone sock. Release the hot end locking clip and carefully pull the hot end straight out of the tool head. Inspect the top of the hot end. If a piece of melted filament is visible, remove it with needle nose pliers. Fix 2. Use the hot head wrench method. Heat the nozzle to 250 degrees Celsius from the printer's touchscreen. Now insert a 2.0 mm Allen hex wrench into the top of the hot end until it contracts the stuck filament. Hold the wrench in place, then allow it to cool for about 30 seconds so the plastic bonds to the wrench. Pull the wrench straight upward with a firm, quick motion to extract the clogged filament. Then repeat the process if necessary until the hot end is completely clear. Fix 3. Inspect the extruder and PTFE tube. Press down the black release collar on the filament hub and remove the PTFE tube. Then check the PTFE tube for broken filament or debris and clear any obstruction. Now inspect the extruder chamber and drive gears for filament fragments or dust buildup. And remove any debris using tweezers or compressed air. Then use the printer's load slash unload or extrude slash retract controls to rotate the gears and expose any hidden filament pieces for easier removal. Reinstall the PTFE tube securely, reinstall the hot end, and load fresh filament to confirm smooth extrusion. Thank you for watching, and for more such informative videos, do like, share and subscribe to our channel.